starting right here. So right here we have, I can't remember the name of the street, and Eagleton Road. Two perfectly good streets would be a decent place for a traffic light, but no, the city said we're going to put a traffic light here, not only within eye shot but within like reaching distance of the next one at Aldersbrook Road. If you look over to the left, this Franklin Way, there is precisely 14 estate houses on that road. And the reason why the city put in the traffic light is because they made a very, very mild suggestion at putting in a traffic light there, because it's slightly inconvenient for them to leave their $5 million mansions. So the city said, you want me to jump? How high do you want me to jump, sir or ma'am? And then on the other side, you've got $1.5 million to $2 million homes. And the city again said, oh, you want me to jump? Well, how high would you like me to jump? That was it. That was the only discussion. Was somebody in passing said something about traffic, and the city said, oh, we'll throw in a set of traffic lights. And not only that, but every other resident around here will have to pay for it, and we're not even going to synchronize the lights. So what's going to happen is now you're going to go stop, 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 stop. Unbelievable the way that this city has been run, or lack of